In the last video, you saw how to install the steel cable. In this video, we will show you how to install the bottom panel and bottom brackets. The bottom panel is always on top of the other panels in the package. There is a pin on the inside of the bottom bracket. This is used to determine the correct position on the bottom panel. The bottom brackets belong on the side with the bottom seal, on the left and right of the bottom panel respectively. Start aligning the bottom bracket on one side and screw it in place. Repeat these steps on the other side of the bottom panel. Place 2 trestles in the doorway. Use some polystyrene for protection. Place the bottom panel on the trestles so that the bottom seal is between the tracks and the compact logo is visible on the top. You can place the orange track rollers from the bottom brackets into the track nearest to the back of the rail. Now attach the steel cables to the bottom brackets with the fastener. After installing the steel cables to the bottom brackets, we recommend raising the door with the hand crank so that the steel cables are at the correct length in the rails. This is advantageous when installing the remaining door panels. The first step of installing the panels is done. In the next video, we will show you how to install the remaining panels.